What's up mga kote, it's me Kuya Michael and welcome sa Kuwaderknows, wherein learning is the name of the game. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aming YouTube channel, pinitin mo muna ang subscribe, like, and share buttons for more updates and videos. So before we proceed to the second part of classifying polynomials, pag-usapan muna natin yung answer sa end of lecture question number 3 which is discussed sa last video lecture. Now, sa tanong na yon, I ask you to identify if the expressions are a polynomial or not. If it is a polynomial, classify it according to the number of their terms. So we have s raised to the 9 plus 24y plus 15t minus 2 sa unang expression. We have 15y raised to the square root of 3 minus 19 sa second expression. And 13a plus 19bc raised to 1024. So, ito yung ating mga sagot dito. Letter A is actually a polynomial. At ito ay multinomial kasi meron tayong terms na more than 3. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ayan. Next, letter B. 15y raised to the square root of 3 minus 19 is not a polynomial. Hindi siya maging polynomial kasi bawal tayo magkaroon ng square root of 3 sa ating expression or sa variable. Next, letter C. 13a plus 19bc raised to 1024, that is actually a polynomial and that is a binomial kasi dalawa yung terms. So, ayan yung ating mga sagot sa end of lecture question number 3. So, let us now proceed to the degree of a polynomial. At the end of the video, you should be able to identify the degree of univariate polynomials and multivariate polynomials and differentiate the degree of a polynomial to the degree of the term. So, meron ako nabanggit na terms dito na univariate polynomials and multivariate polynomials. So, ano nga ba yung dalawang iyon? So, we have the univariate polynomial and the multivariate polynomial. A univariate polynomial is a polynomial with only one variable. So, sa examples dito, mapapansin mo, sa isang expression na ito, isa lang yung variable na ginamit. Same with here, which is s lang yung ginamit, at dito, y lang yung ginamit na variable. So, basta isa lang yung variable na ginamit, automatic univariate polynomial na siya. While in multivariate polynomials, mas marami yung variable sa ginagamit. So, more than one siya. Halimbawa sa example na to, 3x plus 5y, gumamit tayo ng dalawang variable sa isang polynomial. Same here with x, y, z plus 1, which is tatlo yung ginamit, at yung y plus yz plus 15 is dalawa ang variable sa ginamit. So, ayun yung difference ng univariate at multivariate polynomial. So, bakit natin kailangan malaman ito? Magamit kasi natin ito sa paghahanap ng degrees of the term of a polynomial. Now, classification of polynomials according to degree. So, ano nga ba pag sinabi nating degree? The degree of a polynomial is denoted by the highest exponent of all the terms in the polynomial. So, kung alin yung may highest exponent dun sa lahat ng terms sa polynomial, yun yung magiging degree niya. Halimbawa, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. Ang degree niya ay 2 kasi 2 ang highest exponent doon sa buong polynomial. Now, nag-matter dito yung univariate at multivariate classification kasi if a polynomial is univariate, we simply have to look for the highest exponent among the terms. Halimbawa, sa x raised to the 9 minus x squared plus 3x plus 4, ang degree niya ay 9 kasi 9 yung highest exponent. While dito sa 10x plus 8, ang degree niya ay 1 kasi ang highest exponent natin dito ay 1. Tandaan na kapag walang exponent yung isang variable, yan ay may nakatagong 1. So, basically, implicit yung kanyang 1 dito. Ayan, nakatago. Anyway, let us proceed next. Next given. 3z raised to the 23 plus 5z minus 9. Ang degree niya ay 23 kasi 23 yung kanyang highest exponent. Ayon yung pagkuha ng degree ng polynomial kapag univariate ang isang polynomial. Paano naman kapag multivariate? So, meron tayong tinatawag na degree of the term which is yung sum ng exponents ng term. So, kailangan muna natin pag-addin lahat ng exponent values ng mga variables. Yun yung may degree of the term niya. Pagkatapos, kukunin natin yung may pinakamataas sa term or pinakamataas sa sum rather sa buong terms or sa buong polynomial. Kung alin yung pinakamataas sa sum, yun yung kanyang degree of a polynomial. Take a look at this example. We have 3x to the 5th yz minus 9x to the 4th y to the 8th plus 3x squared plus 4y to the 4th minus 25. So, again, kukunin muna natin yung degree of the term kasi ito ay sa multivariate polynomial. So, in this case, pag-aatin lang natin lahat ng exponent values sila. So, katulad sa unang term na ito, mapapansin natin na yung 5 at yung 1 at yung 1 ay pinag-add natin dito. Kaya siya naging 7. Same with here. Another thing that is worth mentioning is that halimbawa, wala kang z dito, pero kasi may z dito, we have to acknowledge na meron tayong z at raised to 0 yon. Kaya siya meron tayong 0 dito. Kaya siya may plus 0 dito. 0 will be our placeholder dun sa variables na wala tayo. So, kaya yung constant dito, yung negative 25, ay tatlong 0 kasi we have x raised to 0, y raised to 0, at z raised to 0. Ang pangit ng drawing ko, pasensya na po. Okay, so erase ko lang lahat ng ink sa slide. Okay, so kung mapapansin ninyo, ang highest degree of the term natin is 12. Kaya, ang ating degree ay 12. Yung degree ng polynomial is 12 rather. Okay, sana nag-gets na yung concept ng degrees of a polynomial. So, let us now try answering some questions. Now, we have x plus 3, we have 7xy raised to the 9 minus 6x cubed y plus 5x minus 3, and we have 15. Pause the video if you would like to give it a try. But here are the answers. Letter A, the answer is 1. The degree of the polynomial is 1. Letter B is 10. The degree is 10. And letter C, the degree is 0. Explain ko yung letter B at letter C sa separate slide. Yung letter B kasi is multivariate, so kailangan mo natin kunin yung degree of the terms. So pag nakuha mo na yung degree of the terms, mapapansin ninyo kaagad na ang highest degree natin, sum, is 10. Kaya yun yung magiging degree of a polynomial niya. Excuse me. Now, let us proceed to letter C, 15. So, automatic kasi ganito yan. Ang degree ng isang constant palagi ay 0. Pero ang explanation doon kung bakit siya 0 is ang constant kasi pwedeng i-rewrite sa form na cx raised to 0 wherein c is the constant. Bakit siya naging x raised to 0? Sa laws of exponents kasi, x raised to 0 is equal to 1. Basta ang x is not equal to 0. Ayun. So therefore, 15 can be rewritten as 15x raised to 0. Kaya yung degree ng polynomial niya ay naging 0. So, ayun yung explanation ng degrees of a constant. Now, let us try answering our end of lecture question. We have to classify the polynomial according to the number of terms and state its degree. So, ayan. So, we just have to classify this polynomial according to the number of terms. Tapos, hanapin lang natin yung degree. Put your answers in the comment section. Thank you for listening to this lecture. Again, ako si Kuya Michael and hope you have learned a lot today. Thank you for listening and God bless.